Are you looking to learn how to ship coffee mugs without breaking them while in transit for your online coffee mug business, but you're not sure how to? If so, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way how to ship coffee mugs while in transit for your online coffee mug business. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIYMugBiz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. If you're looking to start your own online coffee mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you how to get our free ultimate DIY mug biz starter kit if you're looking to start your own online coffee mug business. In this starter kit, you'll be able to find all the equipment and inventory you need to start your very own online coffee mug business. Also, you'll be able to get all the packing material that you'll need to pack your coffee mugs so that they won't break while in transit. Now let's get to the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I safely package all my mugs so that they do not break during shipping. To get started, I'm going to show you the packing material that I use to pack my mugs. Bubble wrap. I use about 2 feet of the bubble wrap to wrap my mugs in. I ship through USPS Priority Mail, so I use their free box. Scissor, packing tape, fragile sticker. I have an insert, and I recommend that you have one too. And lastly, I use packing peanuts to fill in all the cracks in my box. All right, guys, let's get started. I'm gonna take my box out. These tapes can be a little tricky. Once I take my box, I'm gonna fill half my box with packing peanuts. It's a little bit more than half, so I'm going to take a few out. That should be about half. Okay, once I have it at half, I'm going to cut my bubble wrap, and again, about 2 feet of the bubble wrap that I'll be using to wrap my mug in. I have my mug, so I'm going to face the handle inside. I'm going to place it in the middle of the bubble wrap, and I'm just going to wrap. Once I do that, I'm just going to put a little piece of tape take the bubble wrap together, and then I'm going to pull it in, and I'm going to pull this in. And I'm going to bring back my box, and I'm going to place the handle going in. Once I place it in, I'm going to push it down, and then it should look somewhat like that. And then I'm just going to fill the rest with packing peanut. And the packing peanut will fill in the crack. pushing it down. Close. Don't forget to put your insert in. So I'm gonna cut a piece of tape. Just gonna tape the side, and I'll show you how I box and tape up my mug. So once I push this down, push the other two flap down. So the tape is already there, and then I push it down and tape. And there you have it. So after I do that, I'll put the label on, and then I'll cut a piece of fragile sticker, and then I'll tape it on here. So that's how we safely package our mug so that it does not break. So if I shake it, I will not hear any rattling or any movement in there. It is solid. And the reason why I ship through USPS Priority Mail is because it ships between 1 and 3 business days, and it gives me a tracking. And that way I'm able to give that tracking to my customer so that they know exactly when their package is going to arrive to them. Aside from the box, we have our bubble wrap and our packing peanuts. And these two are truly a great duo to keep our mugs from breaking. The reason why is because they fill in the gaps in our box. On top of that, we use fragile stickers. And the reason why we use fragile stickers is because it lets our customers know that we truly care about their product and we want it to arrive to them safely. Plus, it's a low cost. And you know what, guys? It has taken us a few years to create our no-break shipping method, and it does really work. And if you want to know where to get the bubble wrap, the fragile stickers, even the packing tape, I'll show you in our free ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit. In this starter kit, I've compiled everything you need to pack your own mug. Also, if you're looking to start your very own mug business, you'll be able to get all the equipment and inventory you need to start your very own online mug business. So now, let me show you where you can get the free ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit so that you can pack your mug the same way I just packed my mug. The link for the ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit will be in the description below. Also, you will find that link in the comment. Once you click that link, it will take you to this homepage. Once you're on the homepage, if you scroll down, it will be the first box. Once you click on that first box, it'll take you to the homepage of the Ultimate DIYMugBiz Starter Kit. In the starter kit, you will find the exact equipment and inventory you need to start your very own mug business. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find the goods that the starter kit will prepare you and educate you for your own mug business. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll find the enroll button. Once you click on that button, it will take you to this sign up page. Once you sign up, you will get an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. I hope that this video was helpful. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also, if you're thinking about starting your own online mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I will see you in the next video.